Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn off the sound whenever you take a screenshot. Okay, so when you first get the phone, by default the sound is enabled, it's turned on. However, not everybody likes to hear the sound when taking a screenshot. Some people like it and some people don't. So if you want to turn off the sound, then this is definitely the video for you. So go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So before I actually show the steps, I'm just going to show you that the sound is enabled. So when I press the volume down and the power button, hold on. As you can see, it makes that sound each time I take a screenshot. So yeah, if you want to turn the sound off, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to sounds and vibration, and then scroll down again to where it says more settings, and then here you will see screenshot. Just go ahead and turn it off. And now when you take a screenshot, as you can see, there's no sound. It's totally silent. So yeah guys, that's how you turn off the sound whenever taking a screenshot on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one guys. I'm out. Deuces.